We just turned a $75,000 renovation into a $1 million sale. That's right. At 225 Pah Road, Epsom, we made it happen. With a vision of renovating to sell, we seized the chance to transform this couple's home into a market standout, funding their much-anticipated retirement. We revitalized every corner with precision and passion. Modern elegance now flows through the entire home, from the sleek kitchen island to the contemporary bathroom vanity and sparkling new tiles. Every detail was crafted to exude sophistication and style. In just 6 weeks, on a fixed budget of $75,000, we transformed this property into a stunning, desirable home. The anticipation at the auction was electric, and the results were astonishing. The final sale price? A staggering $1,032,000, far surpassing the initial market appraisal of $850,000. Our strategic renovation and presentation delivered exceptional returns for the vendors. Thinking about adding value to your property? This case study showcases the power of strategic renovation. Discover how you can achieve similar results. Contact us today at the Renovation Team